I'm in Liverpool at the Pier head and it's 20 to 2. Now I've been waiting for the toll ship to come in, but I've just spotted the tug, so I'm wondering if it's coming in now. My brother told me it was coming in today and I've googled it. So I've just messaged him now and said it's not here. It's meant to come about 11 o'clock and it's meant to moor at the berth at the pier head, but how can it do that when there's a cruise ship in? So I don't know what's happening. So I just messaged our Dave and he said even though it's a sailing ship, it could be too windy for it to enter the river. There's activities going over there. I'm not quite sure what's going on, but looking at the tug, I think it's the tug. Hopefully the ship's coming in soon. It's the Royal Iris again. Lovely atmosphere, it's lovely. It's not as cold now, it was freezing before. And then the sun came out again and it's warmed up a bit, but it's gone a bit cloudy. So we'll see. I'll keep this paused in case the ship appears. But I won't be going on it tonight. I was going to stay, debating whether to stay in town, but I can come back tomorrow. I just want to capture it coming in, to be honest. And fingers crossed I can go tomorrow and board it. These dogs. Just wanting to be friendly with each other. Gorgeous. Right, so I think that tug was a false alarm. But I'll still keep this video anyway. But that's where it said it's going over the Wirral first. And then it was going to berth here. Right, so hopefully the next video will be the tour ship. Thanks for being patient. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, keep smiling and be happy.